Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're here with the Fiat 500 Abarth and we've done a bit of a customization package. The client came in after seeing the Z4 that we did, so we've done a little bit of dechroming, changed the colour of the wheels, powder coated inside and out, and the final part of the process is to get the paintwork detailed and up to scratch again. Client's coming in later for a full reveal, so keep posted, check this out. So when we took the wheels off the powder coating, as you can see, they're all nice and fresh inside and out. They're getting ceramic coated today. We also noticed that when we were cleaning up the calipers, the brake discs and the pads were really low and the discs needed changing as well. So we've also sorted that out for the customer while we're here. Hope he's going to be happy with it. As part of the dechroming process, we've actually wrapped these silver trim pieces. They come as standard silver and they look a bit untidy on the car. It's much neater now. So thank you for hooking us up, Crown Customs. They did the wrap work on these. Looks like a really neat job, so thank you very much, guys. So Crown Customs also wrapped the spoiler in a black carbon fibre effect. Sometimes wrapping parts of a car is much more efficient and effective than repainting or using a genuine carbon fibre piece. It's also a lot cheaper as well, and it still gives that same awesome effect. for ceramic coating for the wheels. Now this makes the wheel a lot easier to clean in the future. It means that the brake dust doesn't have as much opportunity to stick to the lacquer inside the wheel. So we coat the barrels and then the faces as well. We're also going to use the heat lamps to force cure the coating to make it go even harder, even quicker, and you will get a nice beading effect off the inside of the wheel when they're washed in the future. Client's outside, he's coming in for a live reveal. Put the Air Shroud cover on. Thank you to Air Shroud for lending us this cover for the reveal. Let's go and get his reaction. So Ashley's here, he's come to pick his car up. There she is. So here we go, you've got this cool little Air Shroud fob. And they've lent it to us kindly for the day, for the reveal, just for you. Okay. With the Italian stripes on it as well.
Fantastic.
Right, you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Oh wow. Oh my god, that is fantastic. Wow. Yeah. That is superb. Thanks.
Have a look around, mate.
It's taking it in. The paint looks amazing.
And then your
it's so
flash around as well.
It just looks so clean on the back now.
It does. It tidies the whole thing up.
Yeah, it really does.
And we've also got the
I didn't even
the
see
black
that.
cards as well.
But that looks amazing.
Yeah.
I must not want to touch it. But
Yeah, do it.
that looks fantastic. You guys have done fantastic. Honestly, thank you so much. Honestly.
And then finished off with the two-stage machine polish.
I mean, I don't think I've even seen the fleck before on it before. To be honest, that just looks.
When we got it under the lights, you could see beyond the swirls and the scratches that were in it, and you could actually see how metallic it was. A really pretty colour, and in the sunlight you get a lot of metallic flake out.
Oh, it looks amazing. Honestly, I'm absolutely chuffed. I can't tell you, you know, the cars are, I think they're an extension of our personalities. I love this. Honestly, I do. It's not just a machine, it's more important than that. So.
It's soul, isn't it? And driving to us petrol heads, we're all petrol heads. It's just a part of you. And to be
looks
able to
amazing.
deliver to our clients what we would love ourselves.
Honestly, I really appreciate it. You guys have done fantastic. It just, the paint is amazing. I can't believe it. I don't think it'll ever be cleaner than it is now. So, yeah, thank you.
Right, all sorted. Guys, we'll catch up with you next time. Thank you for tuning in, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and share away.